This video demonstrates how to get started with Troopr Check-ins. It covers creating a workspace, connecting tools like Slack, Jira, and GitHub, and configuring stand-up updates for your team. The user should be able to log in from Slack app Marketplace or website. Once they log in, they need to create a new workspace. Once you create a new workspace, the first step is to connect your Slack. Once you connect your Slack, you should point Slack to your organization's workspace and allow it to read through the Slack workspace. Once you have allowed it, it installs Troopr in the Slack workspace and then asks you to set up your Jira or GitHub. Jira is mandatory, and you should optionally be able to select and connect GitHub. So you select the Jira site where you want to install Troopr, and it should be able to read from your site. Be able to connect GitHub and select the repositories that you want to read through. An organization could have multiple engineering teams. Troopr reads through a specific channel or a Jira project that your team primarily works on. This could be a platform engineering team. You could either select a Jira project or a Slack channel where your team primarily works. I am choosing this, and it will select all the members that are part of this particular team. Once it is done, it will also add people when somebody joins in Sync it, so that if members leave, it automatically removes them from the team. You should be able to select the project your team works on, the repo for the team on which the team works. Do you want to run a sprint and select an active sprint and a board to track everything? You can select the entire board. If you want continuous delivery, you can use a jQuery filter to identify priorities for your team and work based on that by adding a jQuery filter. You're done. You should be able to see when to run the stand-up. If you want to run the stand-up daily, you should be able to select the dates when you want to run this stand-up, where to post the stand-up updates, what activity it should read from, and the time zones for which you want it to run. And if you want people to preview what it posts, Super would send a DM to each person, based on the traffic we want to create. If they want to reply to that particular update or not, it will just post the update to the time channel. Once this is done, you can see a preview. This is the team. There are 5 members in this channel post. This is the current work, Jira project, a repo, and Slack. It runs on weekdays. And this is how it looks that Maya Chain merged this particular PR, and it got approved and shipped. This is the particular Jira ticket related to it. And similar details. Once this is done, you can ship it. This is how a stand-up report looks once your app is connected and Troopr is added to the Slack channel. It should read the activity of each of your team members across Slack, Jira, and GitHub. It highlights what needs attention, which team members are at risk, and what each person's update is in Slack, GitHub, or Jira. That way, engineering managers should be able to configure it. If they want to see a history, they should be able to see each stand-up history, and if they want to see a specific member's update, they should be able to do that as well. Learn to create a workspace, connect Slack, Jira, and GitHub, set up teams, and configure automated stand-ups to enhance engineering team collaboration with Troopr.